This video shows how to make high-quality Shorts videos quickly for YouTube, TikTok, and other social media sites for cheap. Shorts videos are 9:16 aspect ratio, width in relation to height, and last less than a minute. You'll need two programs, Pictory and free video cutter joiner. You also need a free AI text generator like ChatGPT. Pictory is an AI-based video editor that makes a video based on the text you enter. Pictory is free to try, and you learn to use the program quickly. You don't have to buy a subscription to Pictory for a year or for life, but for example, a Pictory professional account for just 1 month, which costs around $30 with discounts. It's worth choosing the Pictory professional account, which includes 60 videos per month and 51 hyper-realistic AI voices, so you can create more videos with completely natural speech. Once you've learned how to use Pictory, you can, for example, Google most profitable YouTube shorts. You will find many niches such as entertainment, makeup and beauty, food and drink, family and parenting, viral challenges, travel, luxury, celebrity news, video games, sports, crafting, movies and television, animals and pets, science and technology, and more. Once you've chosen the niche you like, you can create texts for your videos using tools such as the free ChatGPT. For example, you can enter the question, "What are the strangest foods in Asia?" into ChatGPT and turn the text into one or more Shorts videos using Pictory. A Pictory professional account allows you to create 60 videos per month, which you can download to your computer. However, you can create many times more short videos in a single month. This is done by simply entering the text of, for example, 10 Shorts videos in Pictory. So this one video in Pictory will contain 10 different Shorts videos. So you have one video in Pictory, but with 10 separate blocks of video. You can separate these video blocks with, say, a 2-second blank frame to make it easy to separate them with the free video cutter joiner. When the video is ready, download the video to your computer. Then open free video cutter joiner. The program allows you to easily cut this single video into 10 short videos. So if you're efficient, you can create 600 Shorts videos a month and upload them to your own computer. And all you need to do is buy a 1-month membership to Pictory. I recommend using Pictory and its professional account to create high-quality videos quickly and easily. Now you have plenty of Shorts videos to upload to YouTube, for example, on the schedule you want, and you can unsubscribe from Pictory until you might want to renew it again. Please check the links in the video description.